Hi guys, so today we'll be trying this Mentos explosion on Fanta, 7up, Pepsi and Coke. So let's see which one has more gas, or let's see which one would explode more. So let's start. Oh yeah, the drinks. Oh, somebody do
Number they call you.
okay. So, which one do you think will have more gas? We'll be starting with Fanta. Then we move to 7up. Then we move to Pepsi. And lastly, we move to Coke. So now let's find out. As you can see, this one has more gas, followed by this, then followed by this, and followed by this. So if you're looking for a drink that has less gas, you can try Fanta and thank me later. Coke has more gas. This one has, does not even have gas at all. Yeah, it does, but there's gas. So don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, don't forget to share this video so it will reach that your friend that is always going for Coke all the time, or comparing Coke to Pepsi or any of these drinks. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.